In this video, we'll be taking some definitions on operations research concerning transportation problem or the network problem. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. First, on our list, we'll define what a tree is. A tree is a cycle tree connected network comprised of all the subsets of a node. Next is what is called the spanning tree. The spanning tree is a tree that links all the nodes in operation research. The spanning tree is a tree that links all the nodes in operations research. For example, if we have our nodes to be equal to say 1, 2, 3, 4, we can as well have something like this. 1, 3, 2, and 4. So these are the nodes. These are the nodes. They are being connected by the lines. They are being connected by the lines. So the spanning tree is a tree that links all the nodes in operations research. What is a node? Node. A node is a point on a network. So a node is just a point on a network. For example, if we have this is a node. This is a node. This is a node. This is a node. And this is a node. So a node is just a point on a network. How about an arc? An arc is a link that connects two nodes. An arc is a directed link that connects two nodes. For example, we can write an arc to be equal to, say, 1 and 2, one and two, two and three, two and three, and one and three, one and three. We can call this a node, an arc, sorry. An arc connects two nodes. This is a node, this is a node, this is a node. So one is connecting two is also connecting three, one is also connecting three. So this is what we mean by an arc. This will also take us to what is called the network. Network. We can define what a network is. So we can define what a network is. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. Network. A network is a set of points or nodes that is connected by lines or links. For example, one, two, four, and three. You see one is connecting two, one is also connecting three, three is connecting four. One can also connect four. So this is an example of what a network is. And they are connected by lines. They are connected by lines or what is called links. This is a line, or better still, we can call it link, a link. So a network, if this is a network, they are being connected by lines or links. So for more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel to get more videos on this.